What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can add or import a new stock to your already existing pie on Trading212. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up your app, just go to your portfolio section right here. Now just scroll down a bit until you can see your pie right here. So we will be importing these shares right here that were already purchased. So you would of course need to purchase some shares to import them into your existing pie. Now when we have those, just go ahead and tap on your pie and go over to the holdings section right here. Now once you're here, you would just need to tap on the three dots in the upper right corner. And from there, once you tapped on that menu, you would just need to select Import Investments right here, the second option. And here you can see the investments that are available for import, or stocks and shares that you would be able to import. So as I mentioned, you would need to have a number of stocks or shares already purchased that you can then import. So I will just select this one as it's the only one, and I will just tap on Next. So here you can select the amount of shares that you would like to import. So I will just keep it at 100% and just tap Confirm. From there, you would need to manually rebalance the pie because you're adding a new investment. So I will just do that quickly now. And there we go. So we just need to adjust these sliders so this number is 100%. Now just tap on Confirm. And there we go. Now those shares have been imported, as you can see, in this pie. So essentially, that's guys how you can import shares or stocks into an already existing pie on Trading212 app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.